This week on Entertainment Recap, Jahmiel got baptized, Dalton Harris revealed Italian partner, Love and Hip Hop Atlanta star Akbar V versus dancehall queen Spice. I'm your host, Alicia. Let's get into it. Dancehall artist Jahmiel has made a life-changing commitment and declared his faith to walk with Jesus Christ in an official baptismal ceremony this weekend.
Me no see nothing wrong with the world, but just some people in it, them do too much evil in it.
Jahmiel, whose real name is Jamel Foster, was highly praised by the reverends of the church during the ceremony for the transformative decision to give his life to the Lord. Being a dancehall entertainer, the ministry was elated about the reach and global impact Jahmiel will have on others in light of his renewed faith. For many of his fans, this may come as no big surprise. The dancehall singer had a profound awakening back in November last year when he was faced with a near-death experience. UK X Factor winner Dalton Harris is well content in love, now revealing his Italian view for everyone to see on TikTok. The Jamaican-born singer has been keeping his love life on the low ever since he came out as pansexual in October last year. It was indeed a surprise when he shared a touching TikTok reel showing a few candid moments with his partner to the tune of Paravidazzi's Cloud9 playing in the background. When he finally came out, Harris expressed how pleased he was that he was able to bring awareness to pansexuality in Jamaica. The term pansexual was Googled a record amount of times in Jamaica. Always good to help educate and spread awareness and acceptance, he said. According to Google, the word pansexuality means that you are attracted sexually, romantically, or emotionally to someone regardless of their sex or gender identity. Dancehall artist Rygin King left the island on Thursday, June 3rd to do a major consultation with orthopedic specialists in the United States. He was spotted in the first class of Caribbean Airlines flight by passengers who took photos of the artist. The artist will check into a private facility where he will undergo an intensive week-long rehabilitative program. King reportedly suffered damage from a bullet that grazed his spine during a gun attack last year. King, who is 25 and whose real name is Matthew Smith, returned to the scene last year after being hospitalized following the attack on his entourage that left him severely injured. Then on the air, Love and Hip Hop Atlanta star Akbar V take off dancehall queen Spice crown.
Like the queen of dance hall. Lady Saw is only respect over there. Lady Saw. You don't even get that type of love over there. Like Lady Saw, the original one.
It seems Akbar had a bone to pick with the Jamaican dancehall star Spice and held nothing back to let her know. I'm just tired of other people being by you. Why when Spice says something to me, I can't say nothing, Akbar argued before dishing a slew of defamatory names to style Spice. She also argued that Spice shouldn't be calling herself the Queen of Dancehall because that title belongs to the former monarch, Lady Saw. Spice hasn't publicly responded to Akbar's latest attack, evidently unbothered by all the fuss, and is out and about, sharing on her Instagram live of her scrumptious dining experience at one of her fave spots, living room, bar, and dining. Also enjoying her 10 million views on new music video titled Go Down There featuring Shaggy and Sean Paul. This week's new music is hot. Shaneil Muir with Lose to Win and Ikaya with Tek Him. Take a look.
You ever lose 2 people in a 2 week, 2 house gone, 2 bread down, 2 deep, 2 kids, plus 4, 6 school fee. People hurt when the truth speak. I show me smart that me know the few feet. Me no keep friends, sell you out like loose deep, don't see. Enemies try to drive you out and guess I win at the front seat. Me no choose family and me no choose friends. Never see me when me don't lock your eye when me up then. A paranoid, and I too sleep and I eat. Be wise, turn on me yard, cause me no trust ends. Take my kindness for weakness, my calmness for weak fence. Me don't like the pretense, you hear that? But I too like for talk, call me hear that. Yo, IGR, no for them I sing my pain, I no live it. No for them I talk about the guitar like a gimmicks. No for them no knows if you win you have to lose couple time. So you know the success legit. No for them I sing my pain, I no live it. No for them I talk about the guitar like a gimmicks. No for them no knows if you win you have to lose couple time. So you know the success legit.
Yeah, man, no word, my time him cock me about batteries. And after night the dirt under the wall I bet the last time I check him on and roll. My place like a pitch right now. Girl I rap it and pot something me and west to a rock. Girl I rap. Some girl I own man when I claim them. The man see them a road and no healing. Some one kill up yourself while me a team them. Every month 10 bills pay from a pages. Some girl I own man when I claim them. The man see them a road and no healing. Some one kill up yourself while me a team them. Every month 10 bills pay from a pages. If a coach you one call I'm a coach. A rich man broke when rain fall from a coach. Sorry, your girl a straight from a like she stupid. She even know a man favorite dinner a soap. Sick head, yeah. Rather you a rough it for my make a boy use me. One time.
And on that note, thanks for watching PBCJ's Entertainment Recap. I'm your girl, Alicia. Follow us on all socials at PBC Jamaica. Thanks to Ear Candy, as usual, for my fire earrings. And remember to follow them at the Ear Candy Collection on all socials. Just remember, always and forever, big up who? You!